Hi folks, it's Moz here, and on the workbench today I have the brand new starter set from Airfix. It is the 1/72nd scale North American P-51D Mustang, and we're going to have a look inside the box. So Airfix announced this in January when they did their yearly announcement on what they will be having in their range. And they've come out with some starter sets, and this is the first one that's appeared on my workbench. It comes with paints, the glue, good instructions, cartograph decals, and these ones here can be built with use of a shadow stand, which you'll see inside the box. But yeah, they're very, very good. They are designed for the beginner, so there's not a lot of detail or added extras per se. It's a straightforward build, and you will get yourself at the end of it a particularly really good model. So yeah, they've gone for the Mustang. This will also come in a gift set as well, or like a double pack, and so keep your eye out for them too. So again, yeah, it's a 1/72nd scale kit, North American P-51D Mustang. It's on one of these in one of these boxes. It's not a top opening box, it's a side opening box, but you can hang them up in shops because that's where they want to direct them, so more people can get hold of these. The code for this is A55013, and I will leave a link in the description box where you can buy this direct from the Airfix website. Edge of the box, you've got their warnings in different languages. There it is, they're saying cartograph decals in the box, and they're manufactured in India. And you can see there the model design and tooling is from 2024. So it's definitely a new kit for this year. Officially licensed product from Boeing, and there's the call out for it. It's basically two paints, I think. So you've got the 11, the 33, the 53, and the 155, and they all come inside this box. Edge of the box, you've got the box art again, and this side also box art, and just showing you. I don't know why they use this, because that's not the colours you get. You definitely get different colours, but the box art again is Adam Toomey, and it is, you know, you see it's even got the guns firing there, which is, you know, we knew that, you know, over the years that things like Roy Cross had done, picture wise they would have sprayed out any like dropping bombs and fire and that, but yeah, these are actually firing away and firing against some German planes there as well, and you've got some bombers in the background, which is pretty cool as well. Excellent. But before I open the box, can I ask a favour? Could you please consider subscribing to this channel? So if you like what you're seeing, just click subscribe, ring that bell, click all to be notified when I release a new video. So let's have a look inside this box. So you get one bag of sprues, you get the paints that you need. There's the paints, and you get your poly cement, and you also get a number 2 humbrol brush. And these are, I like these brushes, I collect them all the time, so that will go into my stash of humbrol brushes. There's the instructions. Inside the instructions you've got a very, very simple decal sheet. Oh, look at that, you've got some markings there for kills, and looks like you've got some detail there as well in the corner. So there you go, there's the decal sheet. Focus that in so you can see the decals up close. Brilliant, there's the decals. Put the protection slip on there. You have a before you start guide, which is telling you exactly what you need. These are the tools that you need: nail file, tweezers, etc. Basically some hints on how to build this kit. Right, through the instructions we go first. Time to look at the instructions. And it's all really well laid out, the instructions. So it even tells you where to put the glue to. So where it's yellow is where you put the glue to. So this one here comes with a pilot, it looks like, which is good. You have the seat, and then you're basically building up the cockpit, and it's telling you which bits are cut off from the sprue. Okay, so you've got that, you've got the seat, the pilot, and then you've got part of the fuselage there. And there you go, you're putting all that together. So you're gluing one side on one side of the fuselage, and it's telling you where to paint as well. So you're painting that 155 inside. Then showing you again, putting glue on the outside of there, then you're slotting the other side of the fuselage in, putting the two wing halves together, and then you're attaching the fuselage to the wing, so that's all done there. Again, no more colour in here. Putting on the rear fins on the back, it's telling you there, and you're putting on the exhaust at the front, which is all pretty nice, telling you which colour as well, 53. Then you're building up the undercarriage, so the gearing, so you've got your wheels there, so it must be one part wheels, I'm assuming. So, you know, just colour them up as best you can. And then you've got your strut, and then you've got part of the door there on the edge. And as you've shown you where the flat spots are, they've got flat spots on the wheels. Attaching them to the fuselage underneath, and there's a piece there for the rear wheel as well. Oh, there's a choice, so you can either have wheels up or wheels down, obviously. That's it really for that. And then you've got your tanks underneath, and glue them into position. And then you've got your prop to put together there, so that it can make it to be allowable to spin. So you don't glue this piece here, you glue in there, so that makes it spin. Then you've got your canopy, which looks like slots in at the front and just a little bit of glue at the back, I reckon. Oh, I say no, you don't use any glue at all, so it must be push fit, so it just goes in and fits in nicely. And then you put your prop in on the front, and then again add decals at the stage of the rear of the pack, so put your decals on. And there's your shadow stand there in the shape of the Mustang, so easy peasy. Let's open the bag of sprues. Oh, look at that. So you're getting 3 sprues, and then you've got your 4th sprue there, which is your clear glass. But let's just go through. So frame A, quite simple. How many pieces is it? You've got 31 pieces in this one. So again, fuselage, you know, recessed panel lines, you know, very crisp as it's a brand new tooling. So just basically where the lugs are, cut them off, the sprue gates. A little bit of detail there on that part there. Let's turn it around so you can have a proper look. Let's try and get it into focus. To focus it goes. There you are. Nice, very nice. It needed a refresh. Look at the pilot. Pilot's looking okay. Where's he to? There you go. There's the pilot. Looking okay, I see. Yeah. And there's your props there. Little bit of a rub down, not much required there. Some more detail. There's frame A. Frame B is your wings. Again, some nice detail on there. All recessed panel lines, so nothing raised. And underneath you've got some of where the undercarriage is. So basically they just glue in, just one little hole there, and just pop in and glue it together. And there's part of the shadow stand there, which is the arm. Then on here you've got your little pieces here. So you've got your wheels. Just looking how the wheels attach. Right. Just trying to see. Oh, I see. Yeah. So they've got little cutouts in the wheels, so they should go into there in one piece, so that you get them to get the flat spot the right way, which is just there. See the flat spot there. So yeah, it should be a simple build. So make sure that all fits together. Just move these around so that they slot. There's a little ridge there. Should be easy. And there's your tanks as well. And there's your shadow stand with the Airfix logo on them, which is brilliant. I do love a shadow stand. Then finally you've got your canopy, and it just fits and it just slots in. So there's a little nub there, and that just, as you cut it off that part there, it just slips in and down it goes, just clicks in, which is perfect. Brilliant. So that was an unboxing and a review kind of this brand new starter set from Airfix. They are available on their website for £11.99. I will leave a link in the description box below and in the comments if you'd like to buy this kit. And if you do buy it, or you're tempted to, just leave a comment below and tell me what you think of these new starter sets from Airfix. And that's it. If you like the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, ring that bell, click all to be notified when I release a new video. Any questions, any comments, leave in the box below, because I do reply. Huge shout out to my channel members who help me financially with this channel. If you'd like to become a channel member, please click join below and select the tier that you so wish to have. If you've not seen my previous video, click here. If you'd like to see other unboxings that I've done on these Airfix model kits, click here.